Hey, how y'all doing? Today I'm going to do a quick tutorial on how to wire up a horn to a toggle switch. I'm going to demonstrate it on my 1955 Ford, but the principles should apply to any modern car. So here we go. Alright, so all you need to do is find your horn wire, which in my case is the yellow and green wire. Find a good spot I can join into it, and I run it straight to the toggle switch, as I demonstrate here. And from the toggle switch, you're going to run one wire straight to the positive side on your battery. As you can see, I got it running straight to my positive. You don't need a negative to ground it because your horn is already grounded. And I'll demonstrate it for you here so that you know it works. As you can see, it plainly works. That's all you need. Thank you for watching.